Namaskaram and very good morning to all of you here. We welcome Ambalam and all the team of Ambalam welcomes you for Samagama. We begin the program.
All of you also can join.
All of you can join in the chant.
Namo Narayanaya. Om 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 Namo Narayanaya.
We begin today's session with Yoga for Musicians. We are very happy and proud to have Sri Ranjit Babu here. He is a master yogi and a practitioner of yoga since 1996. His initial training in yoga began in Kalakshetra and later he continued in Shivananda Yoga Vedanta Center in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, where he was conferred the title of Yogacharya. Ranjit's expertise has been enlisted by several dance schools in India, Australia, and United States, where he has conducted yoga classes, especially for musicians and dancers at all levels of training. Ranjit today is being assisted by his beautiful dancer wife, Vijana Vasudevan. Over to Ranjit and Vijana. Thank you.
Namaskaram. Good morning. First வந்து நம்ம breath-ஓட importance பற்றி பேசலாம். ஏன்னா vocalist-க்கு very important breathing. Even any instruments who plays instruments, mainly flautist. One more thing, to make creativity you need more oxygen. The breath gives you more concentration and it will connect your mind and body together. The yoga means that union between mind and body. Once you breathe properly, when you think about breath, you are connected with your mind. ஆரெல்லாம் பிரீத்தை பற்றி ஒரு வாட்டியாவது திங்க் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா? அது அப்படியே பாட்டுக்கு நடந்துட்டே இருக்கும். And whenever you get, maybe when you run or do some movements, oh, I am breathing. That time you think about breathing. First, நம்ம வந்து எப்படி breathe பண்ணணும்னு கற்றுக்கலாம். You can use Chin Mudra. And filling your stomach, that is proper breathing. How you fill your stomach. Then you can go to your chest. Then you can go to your shoulders. This is the proper technique of breathe. You would always fill your diaphragm, push your diaphragm down and fill your stomach like balloon and bring it to the lungs until your clavicle. Thoracic breathing, clavicle breathing, diaphragm breathing. We all try with one hand keeping on your stomach. Close your eyes, fill your stomach, inhale. Bring it to your chest, shoulders. Slowly release your shoulders, chest and your stomach. All got an idea? Purinjadilya. Think your body as a bottle. How you feel water inside the bottle. From bottom to top. Similarly, you have to breathe. One more time. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. And as you grow old, you forget about stomach breathing. Chinna kolandagala paatha, you can see they are filling their stomach and breathing a lot. As you grow old, you'll slowly forget the diaphragm breathing. That is very important when you breathe with your stomach. One more time. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax.
I just wanted to share a small write-up about breath before we get into the main techniques of breathing. When we use the word swara, which is nothing but breath, we are talking about something more than air which flows from the nostrils. We are also talking about the flow of prana, which is the innate energy in us. A very subtle and vital aspect of the breath is prana. Breathing is a process which is generally ignored, although it is the most important function of the body. So that is why yoga is very essential for musicians, especially vocalists, people who are involved in the wind instruments and everything, because your prana is involved in it.
Thank you. Mainly vocalist about Shruti, how you can keep, because of the breath, the flow of breath, you can easily go with the Shruti, one thing. Then alap or holding swaras, anything you need good diaphragm breathing. It's very important thing. First we are going to learn Kapalabhati, stomach pumping. That will increase your diaphragm capacity. I'll show you first. Inhale, then only concentrating on your exhalation. Inhale deeply, retain, exhale. The pumpings we'll start with 60 counts. Then you can normally breathe 2 or 3 times. Then take a deep breath and holding for 45 seconds. Beginning, we'll try that. Because you're all musicians, you can hold. Come on. Inhale deeply. You can keep one palm on your stomach to see that pumping. Only importance to exhalation. Concentrate on your exhalation. Inhalation should be its own. Okay? That's it. Don't do. Okay?
The exhalation should be sharper. It should be more stronger. The inhalation would happen by itself automatically. Inhale. So every time after you exhale, the inhalation happens automatically. Okay?
Now you sit straight, lower back straight, spine. Relax your shoulders. Don't hold that. Relax. All body is relaxed. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. 1. Fill your stomach. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4, and begin. Exhale, 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 hex, 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 exhale. Body straight, spine straight. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4, and retain your breath. Concentration between your eyebrows. Feel your heartbeat. Slowly, with control, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many people are able to hold 45 seconds? Very good. I think you're doing wrong. You have to push your breathing, push. That's very important. Then only you can expand your diaphragm.
Push your breath out. And whenever you push it out, pull your stomach in.
It's very good for your memory, concentration, and diaphragm capacity, and nervous system. Very, very essential. Okay, we'll do one more time. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4, and begin. Hex, 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 exhale.
Please keep your eyes closed.
Inhale deeply. 1, 2, 3, 4. And retain your breath. Concentration between your eyebrows. Feel your heartbeat. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. That holding is very important. You can increase the holding like 1 minute, 1.5 minute. Slowly you can increase. This thing you have to do 3 rounds. Kapalabhati. We did 2 rounds. You have to do 3 rounds. And you can increase the count of pumping. Like 120. You can 160, 200. It's very good. You keep increasing and your capacity will increase. Next time I'm going to teach you Ujjayi. It's a very, very powerful breathing. Throat breathing. Very, very good for musicians, for the vocal cord. Massage your vocal cord. Bring rich blood and it will massage your thyroid region. It's a very, very powerful breathing. Okay? For that, just try this. Feel your throat.
Stick your tongue out, open your mouth, stick your tongue out and just exhale.
Just try. Able to feel your throat? Now I will show you this. More concentrate on your throat while breathing. The beginning stage will be irritating. You feel, maybe some vomiting sensations or feeling itching. Don't bother about that. It will be fine. Just try that. Always body straight, spine straight. Throat, you can just, maybe you can keep your fingers here. Then you can feel it. Again, one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Now can you check? Close your eyes. Again, Chin Mudra. If you can do it this way also.
Sit in Vajrasana.
Vajrasana, if you can. It's very good for knee, calf muscles, thigh muscles.
You can
Good
try.
for digestion. Good for your stomach. Both hand in Chin Mudra.
Please
Just
ensure
try-
that you keep your eyes closed while doing pranayama, because when you do pranayama, a lot of energy is formed inside you, and eyes are a very important aspect of the prana. So when you keep your eyes open, a lot of prana is, it's passed through your eyes. So whatever you do then will not be of any use. So please keep your eyes closed till Ranjit sir says to open.
See, when you breathe, the outer of your body, like outside, you don't know anything what's happening. But inside, so many things are happening. It's all scientifically proved. When you close your eyes, you will be more focused what you're doing. That is very important. Both hand in Chin Mudra. Throat, concentrate on your throat while breathing. Inhale, normal inhalation. Exhale. Now in Ujjayi, Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale 1, 2, 3,